Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of August. And first of all, national news. PM Modi issued 51,000 appointment letters for recruits in government departments. Jan Dhan Yojana revolutionized financial inclusion in India. More than 50 crore bank accounts open. Finance Minister. Railway crossed 1 lakh crore capex mark in first 4 months of financial year 2023-24. Neeraj Chopra amplified excellence, PM Modi said. 50 ambulances to be stationed at venue, hotels, airport during G20 summit. In call with PM Modi, Putin said Russian foreign minister to attend G20 in Delhi. ISRO's Aditya L1 solar mission to launch from Sriharikota port on September 2. Practice yoga, PM's advice to newly recruited security personnel. Rare super blue moon will shine in the sky this week. Amit Shah to flag off mega BJP Yatra in Madhya Pradesh on September 3. Now, international news. China dropped COVID-19 test requirements for travelers. Britain air traffic hit by technical issue, flights to and from UK impacted. US-China agreed to set up working group to solve trade investment issues. Japan warned China after stones thrown at embassy over nuke water release. Russia detained ex-US consulate employee for passing Ukraine intel to US. Paris banned rental e-scooters, first European capital to do so. Japan scrambles jet after Chinese military drone spotted near Taiwan. Now some sports news. India, this is for you. World champion Neeraj Chopra posted after winning gold at World Athletics Championships. In next 2 months, I want to create memories with this team. Rohit Sharma. Ukraine's best high jumper won gold for her country at World Championships. Now news related to business. In mega push, Mukesh Ambani's Jio promises artificial intelligence to everyone, everywhere. Reliance Jio 5G on track to cover entire country by December, Mukesh Ambani. Sensex climbed 177 points, Nifty gained 62 in early trade. India-UK bilateral investment treaty likely to be finalized soon to differ from 2016 model. Science-related news. Rare super blue moon will shine in the sky this week. And Reliance chairman Mukesh Ambani pushed artificial intelligence plans. Jio promises artificial intelligence to everyone, everywhere in India. And that's all in news. Thank you.